Welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by Ashley. My brand name is Urban Nails. I am a new nail tech. I am in school to get my license. I have only like a month and a half left. Yay. I am new to this YouTube. I hope you guys welcome me with open arms. Today I'm just bringing you guys a beginner friendly nail tutorial video. So this is just going to be an all white set with a glitter nail and some bling. So to start off, I am pushing her cuticle back. I'm pushing the epinicium back to expose any dead skin on the surface of the nail plate. So now I'm going in with my small cuticle ball bit, and I am just removing any of that dead skin that was exposed after I pushed back her epinicium. I'm taking it one way towards my left, and then I'm going to put it in reverse, and then I'm going to go around the other side of the nail. Here, I'm just cleaning off any dust or any oils that was left on the surface of the nail plate. And here I'm going in and I'm dusting the nail off, and you know, she was jamming and ready to get that new set. And now I am going in and I am fitting the nail tips to her nails. The nail tips I am using, I got them off Amazon. I will put everything I used in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Now I'm going in and I'm blending that nail tip with the natural nail. I am using a sanding band. I'm using my Kiara Sky Drill. I got it from kiarasky.com. Everything I used I will put in the description box below. I am using my drill on about 3,000 RPMs so that I don't cause like a ring of fire. So I'm going in with my first bead, and I'm putting it right where I put that false nail on the natural nail. The color I'm using, it was mixed with Mia's Secret HD White and their crystal clear powder, just to get a nutty white, because that's the color she was going for. So I'm just going to take that in, and I'm just patting that out and smoothing it down towards the end of the nail. And I'm going to continue the same process on the next nails. you see that I did skip the middle nail. That is going to be my glitter nail. I wanted to do that last because I am using glitter and I didn't want the glitter to contaminate the monomer so that, you know, it would get all in the white. So it'll be glitter in the white. So no. You always want to complete, you know, if you got color nails and you're using colored acrylic or glitter, you always want to do that step last or either do that step first and then change out your monomers. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just finishing my application on the rest of the nails and then I'm going to go in and do that glitter nail last. Alrighty, so now I'm going in and I'm completing that glitter nail. The glitter I'm using as well, I got off of Amazon. I will link and put everything down in the description box below. I picked up a clear bead and then I picked up some glitter. So that's how I got the full encapsulation of the glitter nail. And I just encapsulate that in the Mia Secret Crystal Clear powder. So now it's time to file. So I'm using an 8080 grit file that I got off of Amazon. And she wanted a taper square look. So I'm just going to go ahead and file that into her taper square shape that she like. And that completes the application, guys. I'm sorry I didn't get to get me putting the stones on, but this is the application. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys love it. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my new videos. And make sure you leave a like and don't forget to share. Thank you guys. Until next time.